Baby,
Yes, my love.
I'm hungry.
Hey, but you just ate just now.
Not enough.
What do you want to eat?
Actually, I'm craving for this coffee dog.
The skull of dog.
Yes.
Blood of
How you
Jesus.
dey
Blood
expect
of
me
Jesus.
to get a skull of dog?
It's not me that wants it, it's your baby that wants it.
Every time the baby,
Women.
Okay. My love. And what?
I don't want it anymore.
Why?
And your baby doesn't want it anymore now.
But you said I should get dog skull for you.
And I just said he doesn't want it anymore. What do you want me to do?
Okay, what do you come want?
Actually, I want the left leg of a lion.
Left leg of a lion.
Jesus.
Yes.
Hi.
Let's have it.
Why you expect me to go get a left leg of a
What
lion?
be this? What be this?
Every time
What
the
be
baby,
this?
the baby,
Jesus.
the baby. Stop.
My pikin, I think my papa take go.